Have you ever wondered why you get that sudden rush of adrenaline when you're startled? Or why you instinctively pull your hand away from a hot stove? What if there's a part of your brain that's been driving these instincts since the dawn of time? Enter the concept of the reptilian brain. The reptilian brain is a term coined by neuroscientist Paul D. MacLean as part of his triune brain model. This model compartmentalizes the human brain into three distinct parts: the neo-mammalian complex, the paleo-mammalian complex, and the reptilian complex. Today we'll focus on the latter, the reptilian brain. Think of the reptilian brain as the most primitive part of our brain. It's said to be responsible for our most basic, instinctual survival behaviors. This includes aggression, dominance, territoriality, and the instinct to mate. Essentially, it's the part of the brain that's concerned with keeping us alive and ensuring our genes pass on to the next generation. The reptilian brain is thought to be shared by all vertebrates, including reptiles. Hence the name. It's the part of the brain that reacts without thought, without conscious decision. It's the part that makes a bird fly south for the winter, a bear hibernate, or a human jump at the sound of a loud noise. It's all about survival. However, it's important to note that the concept of the reptilian brain is not universally accepted in the scientific community. Many argue that it oversimplifies the complexity of the brain and human behavior. After all, our brains are not just about survival. They're also about creativity, empathy, and love. But whether you believe in the reptilian brain or not, it's an interesting concept to ponder. It raises questions about our instincts, our behaviors, and what it truly means to be human. So, what do you think? Is there a part of your brain that's still driven by prehistoric survival instincts? Or do you think the human brain is far too complex to be broken down into such simplistic terms? Don't just keep these thoughts to yourself. Share them with the world. Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep those curious minds working.